Hi there, this is Michelle from Woolly Rhino Crafts, and this is a little collection of companion videos to help you out with my Mr. Poopy Butthole pattern. It's a free pattern with a paid PDF version, and the links are below along with some other pertinent links you might be interested in. First, we'll start with the hat. I say to weave the tail back to the FLO round, and this is what I mean. Just like that, easy. And now you're ready to attach the hat to the head of your longtime family friend. I've pinned the hat in place using bobby pins so it doesn't move around as I'm sewing. Find the nearest yellow round that falls under the first black stitches of the hat. Working BLO gives you some nice clear loops to grab. I used a whip stitch, and you just need to keep working around like this, removing your pins as you go. Add more stuffing if you need to. Adding pupils to the eyes is very easy. There are a lot of ways to do it. I just stitched little X's. Embroidering details overwhelms a lot of people. But it just takes practice and trial and error. Don't be afraid to take it out and do it over if you don't like it. Observe as I stitch his mouth. This was sort of awkward for me to do because I wanted it to be clear for the video, so I was holding my Mr. Poopy Butthole a bit different from how I normally would if I weren't filming. I did 2 passes to thicken his mouth and smooth out the stitches, more or less. The first pass was small stitches, and then I did a longer stitch over them. Deal with the tails like so, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more yarn stuff.